What is going on, Turbo family? We have not made a video back in the lair in so long, but finally we are back. Feels good to be home, guys. I was out traveling Europe, went to Spain, went to Andorra, went to France, and then to Monaco. Honestly, such a great escape, and that is what I've been telling you guys to do. Not obviously travel because you don't have to always do that, but guys, go outside, take a step away from the markets if it's hard for you right now. Do the things that you want to before you get to the place that you have to be at, because honestly, guys, enjoy the journey, and that is what I preach on this channel. Listen, if you guys are new around here, my name is Ro. We talk about crypto every single day, and as of recently, we've only been coming out with one video a day because the markets have been a little choppy. If you guys do enjoy the 2 to 3 videos per day, then I will up that. But as of right now, there really isn't just much to talk about. I haven't made a proper video on Turbo in a while, so here we are with a brand new video. If you guys are new around here, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, so whenever I go live or I upload a video, you guys know about it right away. And make sure you guys like this video up so YouTube actually pushes it out in the algorithm just a little bit more. With that being said, though, let's get right into today's video. Now, I'm very excited, guys, because obviously crypto just has felt like, I felt disassociated with the crypto markets because I've been traveling, and honestly, that was really good for my mental health, guys. Not being at home, not opening up the charts, not opening up my portfolio every like 20 minutes has really done me a number. Okay, it's done me really well. And I encourage you guys, literally just step outside, family, go to the gym, go to the mall, spend time with your loved ones, take a step back from the markets, because as of right now, the markets are destroying us. The Bears are in control. The Bears are winning right now, but I will say this with confidence, it will not be like that forever. Okay, there is going to be a day where the markets recover. You're going to see Ethereum rally to 5K, Bitcoin rally to 150K. Those days are going to be coming. And if you are not taking advantage of the fear that we are seeing in the markets right now, I'm sorry to break it to you, you're probably not going to make it. Okay, the people who buy when there's only buyer's confirmation, the people who buy when it feels right to do so, when everyone else is doing it, those are the people that are going to lose in this crypto space. And that is a large percentage of people, because the ones that truly, really and truly make it, guys, are the ones who buy regardless of how they feel. They know when there's fear in the markets, that is when you want to be accumulating. Now, I understand that a lot of you have probably been accumulating this whole entire time, and there is a saying, you never want to catch a falling knife, which is true. And a move that you could also make in the market is not making a move at all. Because if you decide that, hey, you know what, I'm just going to take a step back, that is you deciding that I'm not going to let the markets get to me. Because the worst possible thing that you could do in the fear is sell. Okay, trust me, I've been in the market since 2017. I've learned a thing or two. And another bad thing that you could do is rotate profits from a project that is going down, a project that is dumping, into a project that is pumping, because obviously you're not getting as much value out of it, and you're obviously converting a lot of the project that you bought at a higher price into a project that you're just going to be buying at even a higher price. Doesn't really make sense. Now, if you guys want in-depth guidance as to how to trade these meme coins, because trust me, I've been doing this for a while now, you want to join the Meme Coin Mastery. This is my private Discord group where people join, guys. They've made tens of thousands of dollars. There's a guy in here from Estonia who made the annual yearly salary that they make, the average annual yearly salary that they make in a year. He made it in his month of just literally copy and pasting the signals that we give out to him. Obviously, guys, I do want to say past profits never guarantee future results. So keep that in mind as you guys join. You do need to do your own due diligence, and it does take a lot of hard work. We're just giving you guys the guidance and the tools necessary to be able to make that happen. Now, when it comes to Turbo, one of my favorite projects, however, it doesn't come without saying, guys, that this project is getting hammered, right? In the last month, down 29%. And compared to where it was in the last year, guys, it is down 75%. And obviously seeing that scares a lot of people. And I'm not going to lie, it does have me a little bit scared as well. I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you guys where this thing is going to go. One thing I could tell you, though, guys, is after this cycle is done, which I don't think it is yet, a lot of these memes are going to be useless, okay? A lot of these memes are not going to have its own run again if the 4-year cycles are still intact. Now, if the 4-year cycles are still intact and we just have a prolonged bull run this cycle, you're not going to see these recover in 2028, 2026. It'll be 2028 is when the bull run will come in. 2028, you're not going to see these projects recover, so you may as well ride the hype as of right now. Let's see what the community is saying. I see a bearish tweet over here, a message here. Memes are going to zero, and the rest of the alts will fare slightly better. Zooming out, it's pretty clear that the bear market was here after Turbo dropped below 0.0042 and 0.004. No one wants to believe it, but it is what it is. I mean, I get that to a certain extent, guys. However, again, a lot of that was just manipulation from the fundamental side of things, guys, the tariff scares. I don't think we're in a bear market yet. What we could see is, sure, maybe we're not going to peak out in 2025. However, we could still see a bull run come in 2026 because, guys, this bull run that we have was nothing, absolutely nothing compared to what we've had in the previous cycles. It did not feel like it at all. Another scenario that could potentially play out is that the cycles are broken and we just continue to have little increases along the way in this market. Now, Turbo obviously bounced off that $100 million low here on November 6th. We're on November 12th now, guys, back up to 142 million. From here back to previous all-time highs, you're looking at about a 640% gain. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. That's a 7 to 8x return. Am I going to be accumulating right now? If I were you guys, I would just be watching the markets right now, okay? If you have funds on the sideline, I feel like it's better allocated to either Bitcoin or Ethereum right now, some hedges against your portfolio, some more stable plays right now, or just something in the top 10. You don't want to be accumulating some of these mid-cap meme coins if, if you personally believe that the market is not done dumping yet. And again, nobody has a crystal ball. I can't tell you that we're finally done and we're going to finally start reversing because, again, I don't know if Trump could come out and say some crazy stuff. However, fundamentally, if the stimulus checks do hit, that is a lot of money that is going to come into the crypto markets eventually. We've seen the same thing kind of happen over the COVID times. I've talked to a lot of people over the past few days, and most of them actually want to rally around real legitimate projects. This is what I mean, guys. People are going to be buying their Bitcoins and their Ethereums. Not a lot of money is going to flow into memes anytime soon. And I do need to quote Andrew Cobra Tate on this. You are the CEO of your own life. Hire, fire, and promote accordingly, guys. You want to surround yourself with people who are going to lift you up, which is why I want to say, if you were in the right place at the right times, buying and selling at the right times, you would have made a lot of money. And it goes without saying, guys, you are the boss of your own life. So take control of it and don't let anyone tell you where and when you should or when you should quit crypto, or if you should quit crypto, because at the end of the day, everything in life is hard, guys. You just have to choose which hard you want. Turbo fam, imagine $10 billion market cap in 2 or 3 weeks. AI's meme coins beast is charging 500,000 holders by New Year. Who's riding to the stars? Drop a frog if you're locked in. The strongest meme coins are the ones which bounce the hardest in the times of extreme fear. Turbo is one of those few coins which will run to billions, as it shows where the most diamond-handed and highest conviction accumulators are in times of fear like this. Breaking market focus, Turbo eyes 1 hour upside play amid consolidation. It's consolidating just under recent swing highs with bullish momentum, signaling a potential breakout over 1 hour. Price action near the point 00212. Support could confirm a move upward towards resistance. Current data shows Turbo maintaining above the 20212 zone, where a clean bullish rejection may set the stage for gains targeting approximately at 2022. Now, I'm not too worried about short-term price action, guys. I'm only looking at things from a long-term perspective, and I really do hope that we still break above $1 billion by the end of this year. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are. I know it's hard right now to see the bright side of things, but hey, listen, remain optimistic, guys, and remember that the storm will always pass. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, family. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, and peace out, fam.